Right, Christmas is coming and I thought this might be ideal for someone looking to brighten up the outside of their house, even if it's not snowing. Because I live in the southeast of England and it doesn't snow much. And this, I thought, might be a good little review to do, especially as it's coming up to November, December time. It might be something you might want to invest in to brighten up the outside of your house. So what we're going to do in this video is have a quick look around the box, do the unboxing, see exactly what you get for your money, and give it a test and see how good they actually look. This costs around about £30, well, at the time of making this video it's about £30. So check out the link in the video description if you're interested in buying one of these, or just watch the video if you're interested in watching the video. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? Right, so a quick look around the box then. So it shows you a picture of the unit indoors, but these are outdoor lights. So I'm not sure what that's all about, bit of information on the side. I'm not going to bother reading it out, and let's get her out. Right, I thought I'd save a bit of time by taking it all out of the box and laying it all out. So it comes with instructions, in case anyone needs to know. A remote control, it's got on, off, flash, reset flash, motor. Not sure what that's about. 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours. So I'm guessing you can set it on a timer to turn itself off. That's really good. And a little tag there for the battery. So it's got a battery in it. Be a little watch battery. So get that out of the way. Comes with some screws for mounting it to a wall or screwing it in a fence with some raw plugs. Very nice. So you get three of them. Comes with 3 little screws as well, and I'm going to quickly tell you what they are in a second. A very long lead, and it does say on the internet that that is 7 meters long or 23 feet. So good length, very good length. And it has 2 mounting options. You can either mount it and fix it to the wall by using this. So you would use this, that would go in there like so, and then that would screw into there like so. So you use these 2 black screws, go in there, and the silver screw will go in there to fix it to this. Or, if you didn't want to use that, you can quickly undo it, take that off, and stake it into the ground by using that. See, quickly show you. So that would just screw into there. And that's probably what I'm going to be using actually, and then you'd fix that to that. And then you can adjust it to whatever angle you want. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick it in the ground and see what it looks like. I'm going to do it at night time so you get the best effect, and hopefully my camera can handle the darkness, because 9 times out of 10 I can't quite get the picture quality right, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it will come out all right. Right, so I first tried it in my front garden, and my front garden's quite short. It's only about 7 foot wide. So I thought I'll try it in there first, see how it works. And yeah, it works pretty well. You obviously have to tip it up at a good angle for it to go onto the wall, but it was quite easy to adjust the angle, and it, like I said, it worked. So I thought what I would do then was try it on my back garden, because my back garden is about 85 foot long, so it's quite a long garden. But what I thought I would do is go to the end of this room, which is there, which is about 12 foot away from the main part of the house, and I stuck it up on the top, pointing at the house. Now I have an air conditioning unit up there, I have pipes running down, I have windows like anyone else, and you could see this nice and clearly. I thought, that really does work. But if you want to make it bigger, obviously you're going to have to move further back. Like I said, I've got a garden that's 85 foot, long, so I could go right back there and it'd be massive. It'd probably fill up a couple of houses easily. But I just wanted to see if it actually worked and how good it was. And yeah, nice and clear, easy to see, as you can see in my videos. And hopefully the quality was pretty good. I've had a look, and yeah, it does look pretty good to me. So for the price, let me know in the comments what you think. I think, if you're looking for something like this, this might be the baby for you, especially if you're thinking about Christmas and you want something with a Christmas theme. for when people come around to your house or even just driving past. Yeah, you might want to get one of these because it comes with a remote control. So you can just change the way it looks. You do flashing lights or just a nice slow speed or speed it up a bit. It's got quite a good variation. You can't change the actual image itself. Say for instance you want to do an Easter bunny one, you can't actually change it. It only does that one Christmas theme, but I think it's worth the money. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think it's worth the money, or even if you've actually got one of these. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.